Arteriosclerosis is a disease where the opening of the artery become narrower due to fat deposits building up on the artery wall. This will in future cause heart failure. You see, fat deposits build up uniformly on the wall. Imagine an artery opening with radius of 5 mm. How do biomedical engineers estimate the speed of artery opening if the fat deposit is 2 mm thick? Therefore, we have to find the rate of change of cross-sectional area of artery to fat deposit thickness. In this case we have to find the differentiation of area to fat deposit. We have dia over dh with h equal to 2. Let A equals to the artery cross-sectional area and h is the thickness of fat deposit. According to the formula, an area of circle, area equals to pi r squared, where r is the radius of circle. Therefore equals to pi 5 minus h squared. Differentiate the area. We got negative 2 pi 5 minus h, when h equals to 2. Substitute the h value and then we got the answer, which is negative 18.85. In conclusion, the area of artery opening is decreasing at an approximate rate of 18.85 mm when thickness of deposit is 2 mm. This is 18.85 times as fast as the rate of fat deposit thickening. I am Amira. Thanks for watching.
Hello my fellow friends, today we are going to solve an engineering problem using the application of integration. Here are one of the applications that we are going to cover today. The questions are about the circuit analysis. And the technique of integration we are going to use today is integration by substitution. There are four processes of integration by substitution. First one is make appropriate choice of u. Then compute u dx to find dx. Evaluate the integral obtained in terms of u. And finally, replace u with the final answer in terms of x. So, let's proceed with the question. The voltage across an inductor is given by V equal to L di over dt, where L is inductance, given L equal to 5 it, and di squared d squared t equal to negative exponent power of negative 2t. Based on the statement above, calculate V across an inductor at t equal to 0 second. So, the question is calculate V across an inductor at t equal to 0 second. Then, write down all the equation given in the statement as equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and extra equation for the last answer. Okay, from equation 3 to 2, we need to find L and di over dt to find our answer. So the first one that we need to find is di over dt. So di over dt is equal to integrate of di squared over d squared t. This is di over dt. Then we need to perform the integration by substitution on this equation. If you remember, there are 4 steps of process of integration, which is make appropriate choice of u, compute du over dx to find dx, evaluate the integral obtained in terms of u, and replace u with the final answer in terms of x. So the first step or the first process of integration by substitution is make appropriate choice of u. So I chose u as a negative 2t, and then we need to compute du dt to find dt. That is the second process of integration by substitution. After that, we proceed with the third process of integration, which is evaluate the integral obtained in terms of u. And the final step for the process of integration by substitution is replace u with the final answer in terms of x. So the term x in this question is t. So the final answer will be in terms of t. So this for is the process of integration by substitution to find di dt, and the last answer is di dt that we got. Then after we got the di over dt, we need to find the second value, which is L. So L is equal to 5 it. So the value that we need to find is it. So it is equal to integrate of di over dt, which is this. This is our it. Then we need to perform the integration by substitution on this equation. As you can see, the process of integration by substitution is still needed, which is process 1, second process, third process, and the final process. The first process is the make appropriate choice of u. I still use u as a negative 2t, and then find dt by compute du over dt. Second process, and then evaluate the integral obtained in terms of u, and the final process of integration by substitution is replace u with the final answer in terms of t. So that all integration by substitution processes. And this is the answer for the it that we got. Then take equation 5 into 2. Equation 5 is it, and equation 2 is for the equation of L. And then we got the answer for the L, which is L equal to negative 5 over 4 exponent power of negative 2t. So to solve this question, which is the value of V across an inductor at t equal to 0 second, we need to take equation 4 and equation 2 into the original equation, which is equation 1. The original equation is V equal to L di over dt. And then, by using the basic understanding of mathematics, solve the questions. And you must solve the t with the value of 0. So we got the answer negative 0.625 volt for the value of voltage across an inductor at t equal to 0 second.